Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks from 2015 to 2024 often come with a factory-installed keypad for keyless entry on the driver's door. Retrieving a forgotten keypad code depends on your model year and what access you have available. For newer models from 2021 onward, use the Ford Pass app on your smartphone for digital code retrieval or reset. Simply open the app, navigate to your vehicle's settings, and look for the keyless entry option to view or change your code. Older models before 2020 don't have app support, so you'll need alternative methods. First, locate your original owner's manual, as the code might be documented there. If the manual isn't available, visit a Ford dealer. They can reprogram the body control module to reveal or reset the code, typically costing between $50 and $150. Be aware that for security reasons, Ford does not offer remote code lookup services. While official methods involve the Ford Pass app or a dealer, some DIY options exist, but come with risks. Some owners have used OBD2 scanners with specialized software to access the BCM and reprogram the code. This requires technical knowledge and can potentially void warranties if done incorrectly. A risky method involves disconnecting the battery in hopes of resetting the system to a default code like 12345, but this is unreliable and can erase other vehicle settings. Note that attempting to brute force the code by entering numerous combinations will trigger a lockout, disabling the keypad temporarily. For security, never share your keypad code publicly. Ford has implemented security measures like keypad lockouts after multiple failed attempts to deter theft. Given rising cyber threats, the trend is shifting towards app-based keyless entry systems, expected to replace keypads in future models.